The actions that are built into Automator are a wide variety of actions, and they let you access data from within the major applications that we know will be on Mac OS X, such as iCal, the address book, Mail. There also are a lot of interactive things such as ask for text. I can put this in here and ask a question, enter the message. I can then come down here to Mail and drag new mail message in, and when I release the mouse button, notice that there's a link between these two messages. So I can say that I'm going to generate an email message called Automator Test. Let me run this and you'll see what happens. Here's my message I'm typing in. Mail is launched, and I have a new email message with that message typed in. It's very simple, but when you have a multi-step process, particularly one that's complicated and that you don't do very often, it really, creating a workflow can codify what happens. You can also have a variety of other scripts and workflows as part of a workflow. So you can have a workflow that starts other workflows. It makes sense to build them up gradually. Build a script or a workflow, test it, then build another one, then link them together. I want to show you some of these actions here because this points up a very important application of Automator. You can see you can open documents in InDesign. You can place text and images in InDesign documents. Automator and AppleScript are used very extensively in creating documents automatically. Now, Automator is just the latest incarnation of a wide variety of scripting tools that are built into Mac OS X. They go back to something called AppleScript, which is integrated with Automator now, and you can create your own scripts going into the Applications folder, then to the AppleScript folder, and then launching Script Editor. And what I'm going to do here is get rid of what I had previously in here and show you exactly how you can create a script. You can type it in. That's one way of doing it. But you can also record a script, which is what I'm going to do now. It'll take a moment, and recording has started. I can stop it whenever I want to, and I'm going to go now into my home directory, into Documents, and open this same bridge photo that we've seen before. I'll go back to Script Editor and stop recording. I will close Preview, and I will run this script. What's happened is what I just did was recorded. I can now run it. Even more interesting, I think, is that I can go back into Script Editor and manually modify this script if I want to change something. I can add lots of things such as a dialog to let a user choose a particular file to open. So you have the ability to create workflows and scripts, and you can create them manually by typing them in or using the Automator interface, or you can record. Not every application is scriptable and not every application is recordable, but many, many are, and I'll give you also a hint. The major applications from Apple are scriptable, and furthermore, applications that are involved in workflows, particularly production workflows such as InDesign, tend to be scriptable. And if you're writing AppleScript from Script Editor, you can open in the File menu a dictionary for any scriptable application. And here is the Microsoft Word dictionary of AppleScript commands, and what you will see is that you have suites of commands. Here you have elements that you can deal with, and it starts from very basic. This standard suite is implemented by almost every scriptable application. You can close things, open things, print, quit, save, and then you get to more and more specific suites of commands. So AppleScript is a wonderfully powerful tool that lets you use your Mac without having to touch the keyboard or the mouse. Set up a script or a workflow, test it, and then you can run it whenever you feel like it.